Welcome back to AK Cars Reviews. Today we're taking a deep dive into the 2026 Chevrolet 3100, a rebirth of a legendary American pickup that blends vintage soul with modern muscle and advanced technology. Whether you're a classic truck fan or a modern enthusiast looking for a stylish and capable vehicle, the new 3100 has something special to offer. Let's explore its exterior, interior, performance, and pricing in full detail. Starting with the exterior. The 2026 Chevrolet 3100 is a striking fusion of retro charm and contemporary styling. It pays homage to the original post-war 3100 pickups with its rounded proportions, bold lines, and heritage-inspired details. At the front, the wide horizontal grille design is a clear throwback to the 1950s, but now it's updated with sleek LED lighting that runs seamlessly across the fascia. The dual-beam LED headlights sit in square housings, combining vintage appeal with high-end functionality. A sculpted hood, adorned with subtle vents, gives the front end a sense of presence and performance. The lower bumper features integrated tow hooks and active aero elements that optimize airflow at higher speeds. Along the sides, the proportions are muscular and athletic. Prominent wheel arches house 20 to 22-inch alloy wheels depending on the trim, while the sculpted door panels and chrome accents along the window line add a premium classic touch. Step-style side steps provide both function and a nod to the original 3100 styling. Around back, the retro-inspired tailgate proudly displays a stamped Chevrolet logo, and the tail lamps have been modernized with thin L-shaped LED units. The truck bed is offered in standard and extended sizes, complete with a power lift tailgate and modular cargo management system. Optional colors include heritage blue, torch red, satin gray, and onyx black, offering a perfect mix of classic and bold options for every kind of truck lover. Now let's move to the interior, where Chevrolet has pulled out all the stops to create a comfortable, high-tech, yet nostalgic environment. When you open the doors, you're greeted by a cabin that balances old-school cues with new-age luxury. The dashboard layout is horizontal and clean, featuring soft-touch materials, real wood trim inserts, and brushed aluminum accents. A large 14-inch digital instrument cluster replaces traditional analog dials, but the display can be configured to mimic vintage gauges for those craving that old-school vibe. At the center of the dash is a 13.4-inch touchscreen infotainment system powered by Chevrolet's latest software, offering wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, Google Assistant, built-in navigation, and Alexa integration. The touchscreen is responsive and intuitive, supported by physical knobs for volume and climate controls, keeping things simple and driver-friendly. The front seats are available in cloth, leatherette, or premium stitched leather depending on the trim level, with heating, ventilation, and memory settings included in upper models. Rear seat passengers are not forgotten either. The 3100 offers a roomy second row with generous legroom, foldable seatbacks, and multiple USB ports. Ambient lighting throughout the cabin, including under the dash and door panels, sets the mood. On evening drives, there's also a wireless charging pad, a massive dual-pane sunroof, and a premium Bose sound system that turns this pickup into a rolling concert hall. Under the hood, the 2026 Chevrolet 3100 offers multiple powertrain options tailored to different driving needs. The standard engine is a 2.7-liter turbocharged four-cylinder producing 325 horsepower and 390 pounds-ft of torque, more than enough for everyday driving and light towing. But for those who demand more grunt, there's an optional 3.6-liter twin-turbo V6 delivering an impressive 410 horsepower and 450 pounds-ft of torque. This engine is paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission and available with both rear-wheel and four-wheel drive. Acceleration with the V6 is brisk for a mid-size truck, with 0 to 60 times around 5.9 seconds. The power delivery is smooth, and the gearbox is quick to respond, especially in sport mode. But the real showstopper is the all-new electric version. The 3100E This model comes equipped with dual electric motors producing up to 480 horsepower and instant torque delivery. It boasts an estimated range of 320 miles on a full charge and supports DC fast charging, allowing 80% recharge in just under 30 minutes. Driving dynamics have also been significantly improved. The chassis is stiffer, the suspension more refined, and steering more responsive. Whether you're cruising on the highway, navigating city streets, or tackling off-road terrain with the Z71 package, the 3100 remains composed and capable. The Z71 trim includes off-road tuned suspension, skid plates, all-terrain tires, and locking differentials, making it a solid performer in rugged conditions. Safety and driver assistance are top-notch as well. Standard features include forward collision warning, lane keep assist, automatic emergency braking, and a rear view camera. Higher trims add blind spot monitoring, rear cross-traffic alert, adaptive cruise control, and a full 360-degree camera system. The top-tier trims also offer Super Cruise, Chevrolet's semi-autonomous hands-free driving technology for highway use. Now let's talk pricing. The base model of the 2026 Chevrolet 3100 starts at around $37,995. Offering great value for a well-equipped and stylish truck. Mid-tier LT and RST trims range between $44,000 and $51,000, adding more features and customization options. The Z71 off-road model starts at approximately $54,000, while the luxurious high country trim with all the bells and whistles can go up to $62,000. The electric 3100 begins at $58,000 and stretches to around $70,000 for the long-range variant, with full tech and luxury features. To wrap it up, the 2026 Chevrolet 3100 isn't just a reimagining of a classic, it's a bold and successful attempt to bring timeless design into the modern world. With its eye-catching exterior, comfortable and tech-rich interior, strong performance options, and flexible pricing, it's one of the most well-rounded trucks in its class. Whether you're buying it for style, performance, work, or daily driving, the 3100 delivers a satisfying mix of nostalgia and innovation that few pickups can match. Thanks for watching AK Cars Reviews. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click the bell icon so you never miss another in-depth car review. We'll see you in the next one.